Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I hope you guys are having a great day. If you have been paying attention to the crypto market, the last 24 hours have been quite good. The whole market is in the green with the meme coins leading the chart, with Flocky, Bonk and Whiff being up by more than 10%. If we talk about Dogecoin, it's only up about 0.6%, but it's able to hold its support close to 17 cents. Now the trading volume is sitting close to 1.4 billion. It's still holding above Tonecoin, and there are some catalysts such as Trump's wallet sees a surge in the popular meme coin Dogecoin. The investments are exceeding 10 million. Dogecoin is about to go explosive as it surpasses Ethereum and Shiba Inu in the 24-hour trading surge. And at the same time, Dogecoin is the only cryptocurrency that Elon Musk accepts for Tesla. Before we get into all of this, if you guys are here for the first time, you want to stay up to date with everything to do with Dogecoin, I highly recommend you scroll down, tap the red subscribe button. While there, slap a like on the video, just help the YouTube algorithm push the video to more people. More people see the positive side of Doge, they decide to buy into it. It starts spiking up, all of us make a lot of profit. Now keep in mind, right now when the whole market is in the green, we need to make sure that the social engagement for Dogecoin stays at the peak. The higher it is going to stay, the faster it will be able to grow. Now if we look at the weekly chart, you guys can see that Pepe is up 53%, Bonk is up 25%, but Doge is only up 4%. Now I feel like this has been mentioned quite often on Twitter, where people are talking about how Doge is not exceeding these other tokens. Well, you guys need to understand, Doge being able to move 3% is already a significant growth, seeing that the market cap is sitting at 24 billion. I know a lot of you guys want big returns, but you just need to be a little patient. You need to wait for Bitcoin to do some big numbers. And if you look at the way Doge chart is playing out on the daily chart, it's clearly staying above the ascending triangle. So we're still in the uptrend, and the uptrend is not slowing down. Every single time we see a downfall, there is an uptrend that actually pushes it even higher. This means this is going to keep going up as not much is slowing it down. Now keep in mind, right now breaking above the resistance close to 20 cents would be the key first thing that Dogecoin should be, aiming for. Once we actually break above the 20-cent resistance, we will be able to see a lot more exploration zone, as the previous all-time high for this bull run would have been broken around 22 cents. At the same time, Trump's wallet sees a surge in Dogecoin. Investments now exceed 10 million. Trump's now hold $10 million worth of crypto, including Trump and Ethereum. Trump's positive stance on Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies has been notable in the recent times. Trump on the ongoing holdings surpassed 10 million this morning, mainly fueled by the rise in the Trump coin, and right now there is more and more being held. I mean, the fact that he's buying more Dogecoin, it says a lot. Maybe the next president of America will be holding on to such a large amount of Dogecoin. At the same time, Dogecoin surpasses Ethereum and Shiba Inu. What they're talking about is Dogecoin has recently regained significant momentum, surpassing 17 cents. This impressive rally has outperformed major cryptos like Ethereum and Shiba Inu. Experts attribute to the surge to increased retail investors and high buying volume. I mean, this is good because this is obviously going to allow for more money to inflow into Dogecoin. And this was posted by Doge Designer today, and he just mentioned Dogecoin is the only cryptocurrency that's accepted by Tesla. If more things happens, well, let's just say it's going to be doing very well. Talking about the open interest, it's up 2% today, but it's still just short from 900 million. The day this crosses the billion mark, that's going to be setting a really positive standard for the whole Dogecoin market. Dogecoin is unstoppable, financial vehicle that is going to take over the world. This was posted by my Doge wallet today. At the same time, Dogecoin looks ready to go explosive. As I mentioned, if you just look at the way the chart's forming, it's very clear that it's ready to make a significant move upwards. And also, it's not slowing down this pattern anytime soon. And that's exactly what can be seen in this as well. This is actually the weekly chart. So if I just switch this to a weekly chart, you guys will realize that even in the weekly chart, it shows very similar potential. I mean, it's just going to go into a small consolidation for maybe another 2 weeks, and then we will be seeing an explosive move before that we have seen. Just Sun advocates pro-crypto president amid the Trump and the Biden tension. Now, Justin Sun, if you do not know who he is he's part of the Tron, or he's founder of the Tron token, and him saying that Trump supports cryptocurrencies and criticizes Joe Biden, this could actually lead to a lot of problems for him in the future. At the same time, this tweet has gotten so much attention from the whole community. End of Trump's second term prediction: we're gonna be rich or we're gonna be homeless, because Dogecoin to $100 and Bitcoin to $1 million would break a lot of people's bank in a good way. Now, Dogecoin's sentiment soars, bulls take over the market, predicting an upward surge that should be happening very soon. As I mentioned, we are actually sitting on such an important time frame for Dogecoin. We just need to make sure that we're able to break above this and make sure we break that 17.5 before we slow down at all. If we don't slow down, it's going to keep going up and it will show a really positive momentum. JP Morgan skeptical about the SEC approval of Solana and other crypto ETF. Now, you guys know Bitcoin and Ethereum ETF will be announced very soon. I mean, it's been already announced, but seeing that JP Morgan doubts that the SEC will approve additional cryptocurrency ETF, approval of new crypto ETF hinges on the legislation clarifying crypto classification. So yes, Bitcoin and Ethereum were able to slip through, but for the other things to do the same, it would take a little bit of time. 7 billion Dogecoin in 24 hours. What is happening? Now, what they're talking about is, this is interesting because recent data has pointed towards rise of the big transactions involving Dogecoin, with around 1.5 thousand large transactions, about 7 billion Dogecoin in the last 24 hours. That's a lot of money that's being transferred, and that could also suggest to the fact that there is a lot of whales which are trying to move the Dogecoin market. Now, Elon Musk to develop a supercomputer for AI setup. Now, if this happens, this is obviously going to have a very positive impact on the Dogecoin market, because this is obviously going to also have a lot of potential for the projects that will be happening in the future. Dogecoin eyes a 10% rally as the bulls show strategy. I mean, the strategy is really important. We just need to make sure that we all stick together and make sure that we're able to push up the market as it goes up. But it's likely to see a 10% after breaking the resistance level of 11 cents, and let's just say at the rate we're going, it's gonna be doing some big numbers. Machine learning algorithm forecasts Dogecoin and Shiba Inu price for June 2024, and the prediction right now is seen as, to be specific, algorithm puts Shiba Inu price to be this, which will increase, but if you talk about Dogecoin, it's expected to go up even more. Now, let me just show you guys the Dogecoin price. It's expecting it to be close to 14.3, but if you keep holding, by the end of 2025, it's expecting it to hit 72 cents. So that's a big number. And at the same time, Bitcoin vaults past 70,000 as Argentina explores Bitcoin tender just like El Salvador. If this happens, this would be a big news. Other than that, I hope you guys did enjoy today's video. If you did, drop a like on it. If you're new to the channel, subscribe, and I'll see you soon.